Hi, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the question, is Monzo a UK bank? This is a question that I've been getting a lot lately, and I wanted to take some time to answer it for you. Now, before we get into the details, let's start with a quick overview of Monzo. Monzo is a digital bank that was founded in 2015. It's based in the UK, and it offers a range of banking products and services, including current accounts, savings accounts, and credit cards. So, now that we have a bit of background, let's get back to the question, is Monzo a UK bank? The answer is yes, Monzo is a UK bank. It is authorized by the Prudential Regulation Authority, PRA, and regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA. This means that Monzo is subject to the same rules and regulations as any other UK bank. So, what does this mean for you? Well, it means that your money is safe with Monzo. If Monzo goes bankrupt, your money will be protected by the Financial Services Compensation Scheme, FSCS. The FSCS is a government-backed scheme that protects deposits up to £85,000. It also means that you can benefit from all of the protections that come with being a customer of a UK bank. For example, you are entitled to free overdrafts up to £500, and you are protected by the Consumer Credit Act 2006. So, if you're looking for a safe and reliable bank, then Monzo is a good option for you. In addition to being a UK bank, Monzo also offers a number of other benefits. For example, you can open an account in minutes using your smartphone, and you can track your spending in real time. Monzo also offers a number of features that are not available at traditional banks. For example, you can set up spending budgets and track your progress towards your financial goals. Overall, I think Monzo is a great option for anyone who is looking for a modern, convenient, and safe banking experience. So, there you have it. Monzo is a UK bank, and it offers a range of benefits that make it a great option for anyone who is looking for a modern, convenient, and safe banking experience. I hope this answer has been helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that, thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.